You're watching Explore Tulsa.
My grandmother basically raised me as a child. I was there all the time, and she made poultices and homemade salves and treated us with herbs. And when you're young, you don't think to pay attention to those things, but now she's gone, and I wish I'd paid. There's so many things I want to ask her because she was the smartest woman I ever knew. But she definitely had a tremendous impact on my life and guiding me toward this way. I was a dental hygienist for a holistic dental practice, and we had incredibly well-educated and well-informed patients that had done tons of research on their own health and their own health conditions, and I felt like I needed to really step my game up to be able to help them because they were coming to me for advice on their total health, not just their dental health. And so I was intrigued with the idea of becoming a naturopath and furthering my education, so I went back to school. I think the two cornerstones of my practice are ozone therapy. Of course, I have a certification in ozone therapy, and naturopaths specialize in getting to the root of an issue. If someone comes in and they have been diagnosed with, let's say, arthritis, a naturopath is going to say, why are your joints inflamed? If your joints are inflamed, inflammation is a sign that your body is not able to heal, or that it's chronically trying to heal. And so that leads me to believe that you're maybe missing trace minerals. You're not able to absorb minerals because your body's in a constant state of trying to fix something and it doesn't have the tools necessary to fix itself. So I just establish what the deficiencies are and give the body what it needs so that it can heal itself. Because the body knows what to do. You just have to give it what it needs to do what it knows how to do. So I provide that. I do iridology. It's ancient Chinese medicine. It's basically the idea that your eyes are kind of a map to your body, and the iris changes, the colored portion of the eye changes periodically and shows conditions in the body. So certain things called sora, which are like dark chemical spots, they can show previous cancers, previous surgical scars show up, congested lymphatic system. Inflammation throughout the body shows up really strongly in the iris of the eye. Even a predisposition to like Alzheimer's or dementia can show up in the eye. Ozone therapy is basically taking a generator to add an additional oxygen molecule. So change it from medical grade O2 to O3. And O3 permeates the cell membrane of bacteria, fungus, parasites, viruses, interrupts their ability to reproduce. It stimulates collagen production, it stimulates your body's production of interferon and interleukin-2, which are forms of tumor necrosis factor, so it can help decrease, slow, or stop tumor growth. You can breathe it in with a nasal cannula. I can put it through the tympanic membrane in your ear, and then I also have very potently ozonated oil that you can use for topical application on your skin, for anything, skins, burns, incisions, all of those things. My practice is inside Red Canyon Wellness at 101st and Mingo, and I work in conjunction with them to offer total body care. Red Canyon offers massage therapy, they offer chiropractic care, and they offer acupuncture, which are great adjuncts to ozone therapy. Yeah, I feel like I've come full circle from my childhood and the things that my grandmother tried to instill in me. The connection with my grandma is of the utmost importance to me. I know that I can hear her voice in my head sometimes, Mindy Renee, that's what she used to say, usually when I was in trouble. But I can hear her voice sometimes, and she's encouraging to me, and I know that I would be making her proud with what I'm doing.